Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com and the brand new OnePlus TV has arrived. And well, we have it here in all its 4K 55-inch glory. Now this is the Pro variant of the OnePlus TV and it brings a lot of cool features. So there's a lot to talk about and I'll suggest you to watch this video till the very end to know all the little details, everything that's unique about the new OnePlus TV. Now before we get started, let me tell you that this video has been sponsored by Vixx.com, which is just a great platform to create some stunning websites. I'll talk more about Vixx.com at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Now let's check out the brand new OnePlus TV. Okay, so this is the brand new OnePlus TV and well, let's check out the design first. So like any other TV, the OnePlus TV can be mounted on a wall or placed on a stand. As you can see, we have the OnePlus TV on its stand or OnePlus dock as they call it. Now this dock aka stand is pretty cool looking with its silver and glossy finish. I think it looks premium. Apart from that, the back of the TV is very OnePlus-like. There's this carbon fiber finish on the back that reminds me of OnePlus cases and older OnePlus phones. And the TV itself is pretty sleek. Yes, there's the speaker bump on the bottom which has this matte finished fabric thing. There's also the ports. You get a USB 3 port, a USB 2 port, 4 HDMI ports, Ethernet, optical, AV in and the RF port. So that was the back. Now let's just power on the TV and that brings me to this remote. So you get this really cool, minimal looking remote with the OnePlus TV. And this reminds me of the much hated Apple TV remote. Also it has the usual buttons, the volume rocker, so yeah, it's pretty standard. Anyway, I think this remote looks cool, although it is a little uncomfortable to use right now because it's just too slim. Maybe I'll get used to it, we'll see. Anyway, let's turn on the TV now. Well, the first thing to notice here when you power up the TV is the almost bezel-less design. The bezels are so narrow and well, it gives the TV a modern look. Now before I talk about this display, you must have noticed this. Yes, this is the sliding soundbar, which is honestly the X factor of the OnePlus TV's design. I mean, it has this cool light and every time you turn on the TV, this cool light shines through the sliding soundbar. It's really cool. See, I love it. I think that makes the OnePlus TV a little different because otherwise it's just another TV and I think that's pretty cool. Coming to the display now, this is a 55-inch 4K QLED display and it's got a ton of features or just tech terms or tech jargon, whatever you call it. Now all of this combined should offer great picture quality. I mean, it's a Samsung QLED panel after all and well, let me just say this. This here is a beautiful display. Yes, this deserves two beautifuls. It's bright, it's QLED, so blacks look amazing and the colors here just pop out of the screen. Plus there are so many options to make sure you get the picture quality you want. I prefer the standard mode here because it shows more naturally at pleasing colors, while other modes, especially the vivid mode, really amps up the contrast and the colors. Look, the display is one of the two most important things in a TV and the OnePlus TV seems to have got it right. Obviously, I haven't used the OnePlus TV extensively, but from a brief usage, it just seems right up there with the very best. I think it's gorgeous. I mean, I saw some of our videos on this TV and I saw details I've never seen before. Moving on to the second most important thing in a TV and that's the sound. Again, the OnePlus TV packs in a lot of tech here. It has an 8-speaker stereo sound system including 4 full-range speakers, 2 tweeters and 2 woofers capable of outputting 50 watts. So it's no surprise that the speakers here are pretty loud. I mean, it's very loud. I prefer not going over 60 or 70%. Now when it comes to audio quality, I think it's great. The clarity is amazing and while the bass could have been better, it's pretty nice and fairly thumpy, so I'm okay. Here, just listen to this. Let me increase the sound. So the picture quality and the audio quality on the OnePlus TV seem pretty good, but what about the experience and the performance? Well, under the hood, the OnePlus TV is powered by the MediaTek MT5887 processor with 2.5 GB RAM. I know the specs here don't seem very impressive, but for the Android TV platform, this seems fairly nice. I mean, in my brief usage, the Android TV experience here has been really snappy. I mean, I personally use a TCL TV at home, which also has the same stock Android TV experience. And coming from that, this seems really smooth and fast and honestly a lot better. Everything loads up quickly, scrolling is quick and lag-free. Yeah, it's an experience you expect from OnePlus. So that was the performance, but the experience is where the OnePlus TV truly shines. See, it is stock Android TV and it looks that way, but there are two cool new features from OnePlus. One is the Oxygen Play app, which is similar to Patchwall, so it just brings you movies, TV shows from different sources like YouTube, Prime Video, Eros Now, etc. in one place. Nothing special really. Now what's special here is the new OnePlus Connect app, which pairs your phone to the OnePlus TV and it makes the whole experience a whole lot better. First up, I love how quickly this app connects to the TV. 2 taps and it's done, seamless. Now the Connect app solves the biggest problem I have with my Android TV, typing. Typing from the remote is a pain. However, the Connect app, you can type on the OnePlus TV with your smartphone. I know you can do the same with Google's Android TV remote app, but you know how bad that app is. Okay, so next up, you can even use this app to navigate the Android TV UI. And while swipe navigation takes its time to get used to, I think it's pretty handy and I like the fact it works really smoothly. Along with swipe navigation, the Connect app also lets you quickly switch between apps on the OnePlus TV. Yes, you can multitask on the OnePlus TV using this. It is so cool and honestly really convenient. There are a lot of other features with the Connect app, like the ability to take screenshots, and the screenshots here show up in the TV mockup. There's Wi-Fi sharing, smart volume control so that the TV's volume decreases when you get a call, and there's a lot more. Look, I think the OnePlus Connect is a brilliant app, and honestly, these are some features I want on my personal TV as well. So as these new features are actually pretty useful and I can see myself using them, but there's one problem I have with the experience on the OnePlus TV, and it's a pretty big one: Netflix. Yeah, like previous Mi TVs, the OnePlus TV does not have Netflix pre-installed, nor is Netflix available for the TV on the Play Store. See, Netflix is something I use extensively on my Android TV, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys do as well. So yeah, Netflix is something really important to me. Now we did try to run Netflix on the OnePlus TV. We installed multiple APKs of Netflix's Android TV app, but it did not work. Netflix's mobile app installed and opened up, but that was pretty much all the positive things. The app looked all blurry, the videos were all in low res, and at times the remote would just stop working on the TV. We even tried casting Netflix shows from the phone, and even that did not work. See, OnePlus has said that they are in talks with Netflix to bring the Netflix app to the OnePlus TV, so yeah, they're obviously working on it, but I'll take that with a pinch of salt for now. So that was pretty much everything about the new OnePlus TV, and from the looks of it, this seems like a pretty strong and interesting first attempt from OnePlus. Look, the design, the display, the speakers, the performance, all of that seems really right up there with the very best. And the special features with the Connect app are something that has really impressed me. They're really useful. Having said that, our verdict of the OnePlus TV depends on two things now. One is the price, which we don't know right now, and second is the fact that there's no Netflix. So yes, I'll reserve our judgment on the OnePlus TV for later when we have a better idea of the price and the Netflix issue, so stay tuned. Now let's talk about Vixx.com. Vixx is for people who want to create some high quality websites. I mean, it does not really matter if you're creating your first website or you're a professional website builder. Vixx is for everyone. I tried out Vixx to build my website and I did a fairly good job in just a few minutes. With Vixx, you can create a business website, a website for your online store, photography, music, events, blogs, basically just about anything. Plus, I like how Vixx lets you customize your website extensively, add advanced features, edit the mobile view, and optimize your website for search engines. Then there are so many templates and really handy tools like Vixx Videos, Vixx Pro Gallery, Vixx Bookings, etc. So honestly, what are you waiting for? Check out Vixx from the link in the description below. But that's pretty much everything about the brand new OnePlus TV, and yeah, this is the Q1 Pro. OnePlus has also launched the OnePlus TV Q1, which is the same exact TV but without the sliding soundbar. Anyway, what do you think? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.